Timeless values persist unchanged no matter who we are or where we find ourselves. Love, family, unity, compassion, technology, trust, ethics remain universal pillars that connect us, break boundaries, and define our shared humanity. In the cozy embrace of the holiday season, time seems to gently slow down, filling us with gratitude for the biggest gift of being together with our beloved ones. These special moments warm our hearts and are to stay our cherished memories for life. Call to light up more lives on this special day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.